Love is in the air here at Fire Mountain Gems and Beads, and in recognition of Valentine's Day, we'll be making these crystal heart earrings. Here's what you'll need to get started. 6 1-inch gold-plated head pins, 6 2.5 millimeter gold-plated brass round beads, 6 8 millimeter Swarovski light cyan love beads, 6 4 millimeter gold-plated jump rings, 4 gold-plated dome links, and we'll finish it off with 2 gold-plated fishhook ear wires. I'm going to start with a head pin. I'm going to slide on my bead. I'm going to slide on my heart and my other bead. I'm going to fold it over, clip it off with my wire cutters, and use my round nose pliers to get my loop made. I'm going to have plenty of practice making loops on this one because we're going to be making 3 loops. There we go. 1. And I'm going to do it again. I'm going to do this 2 more times. And what I'm going to do is open my jump rings. So when I open it, I'm going to open it from side to side, give it a little twist. All right. Now I'm going to pick up my 2 square links and put them together like that. What I'm going to do is I'm going to take those open jump rings and I'm going to slide it into my head pin and leave it open. I'm going to do that with all 3. Okay, and then I'm going to take my 2 square links and put them together like so. I'm going to take my jump ring and slide it in and then carefully close it. And then I'm going to take and grab my next jump ring with the head pin. Now all I have to do is take my ear wire and slide it open and put the ear wire in the last corner so it's all securely put together, and slide it closed. And there you have it, a pair of Valentine's Day earrings.